This is a quick update on setting up Sage Attention on comfyUI with Python version 3.13 and CUDA version 12.9. I have downloaded the comfyUI portable from the link here, extracted and installed one custom node, which is the comfyUI manager. I will be quick, so make sure you go through the previous video before watching this. I am in the Python embedded folder, as you can see here. And these were the steps I explained in the previous video for installing Triton. So I checked this link, and this was already present on my computer. Then I made sure I did not have an older Triton in the Python folder. And then I installed Triton using this command, which was successful. The next step is about downloading this file, which you can see is for Python version 3.12. But in the new comfyUI, the Python version is 3.13. Which means this file may not work, or it may cause errors. On the Triton's page, there is an update on the file for the Python 3.13 version. In the text file below, this section is for the Sage Attention setup. Do not get confused. Below, I have pasted the download link for the newer version of Python. Copy the link and paste it in the URL. It should download the file. Save the file inside the Python embedded folder. This is the zip file for newer Python. Extract the file. From the extracted folder, copy these two folders and paste them outside, which is inside the Python embedded folder. You can delete the extracted folder. It should be empty. After this step, I mentioned testing Triton for any errors. The link I shared in the previous video contains this test_Triton file. I will download the file and run to see if Triton gives any errors. The warning shown by Google is because this is a Python file, but I checked the code, which looks fine to me, so I can ignore the warning. Save it inside the Python embedded folder. Now that I have the test file, I will close and reopen the command prompt and use this command to run the test file. So there is no error. It should work now. Now I can go to the next section, which is about setting up Sage Attention. Go to this address. I have already opened it. In the previous video, I showed this post 1 and the files below. Above should be the latest files. Now I need to check the Torch and CUDA version using this command. And I also need the Python version in front of us. So this is the Python version. Above is the Torch version and the CUDA, which is this CU, and the version is 12.9. So this CP39 goes along with a Python 3.13 version. And then this Torch is 2.8.0, which is correct, but the CU129 does not match. In this case, I will get the latest version of the wheel available. Click to download and save it inside the Python embedded folder. And then, as instructed in the text file, after downloading, run this command. Copy the incomplete command and paste it. Press Tab to complete the file name. This is CUDA 12.8. But I don't think there will be any update on this. Sage Attention 3 should be releasing soon instead. The installation looks successful. I will run the program to check if it works. So this is working now. The total number of steps was 20, and it took 3.4 seconds for one step. The 16 FPS, 81 frames took around 87 seconds with the Sage Attention. And when I bypassed the Sage Attention patch node, one step takes more than 5 seconds. And the total generation time was 128 seconds. On my 4060 Ti 16GB, the WAN 2.25 billion model takes 93 seconds to generate 81 frames. And 133 seconds to generate 121 frames, which gives a 24 FPS video. Hope the video was helpful. I will continue the same video after Sage Attention 3 releases.